I'm humbled by having my mentor, one of my mentors, person and heroes, Reverend Shaw, giving me this award. It's no secret that faith-based communities in some cases have been difficult, and I think that for all of us who step outside of our comfort zone and fight for the rights of others, we're blessed. And Reverend Shaw is going against the grain for animals, for human beings, for in every case, it's been not the natural or obvious thing to do. And he stood up in so many ways and has been very special. And to the gay and lesbian community, he is a true blessing. So I'm very thankful for that.